Hi everyone, in this video we'll be going through strings. So strings are a sequence of characters, and we wrap them around single quotation marks or double quotation marks. So for example, we have laptop. If we wanted it to be a string, we can put quotation marks around it. So how do we know when to use single quotation marks or double quotation marks? Well, if there's no apostrophe in between the words, then we can choose any one of them. But for example, we have laptop and then apostrophe S. So in this case, we would need a double quotation mark. So if we put that in a variable, for example, word is equal to laptops. And then let's print it out. So print word. So that would print laptops. And also, let's say we had multi-line sentences. So how will we be able to write that? So we could have something like hello. And then in a new line, we had something like this is me. So in this case, we need to have like triple quotation marks for them to go on different lines. Yep, so like hello, this is me, and then we can fix up the indentation as well.